Immobiliser Fit, and this is a 2015 Abarth with a Starline alarm package from us at Immobiliser Fit. So this uses the factory key to arm the system, so we just lock it, we get one flash, one bleep to confirm that it's on. So this system has a tilt, motion and shock protection built in, protects the doors if anyone wants to force one open, drag the vehicle away, hit it, try and move it, it's going to go off, and this is also going to sound the horn. Has the additional LED, so from the outside it's obvious that something's fitted. If we open the door, you're going to see the alarm go off, horn go mad, and we'll silence it by disarming the system. So this, as well as having an alarm for tilt, motion and shock when you arm and disarm, also has immobilisation. So we'll unlock it, go to start the vehicle up, so we'll pop the key in, try and start it up, starts up and then switches off. If we were to leave this long enough, the alarm would trigger and the horn would go mad, but we don't want that, so we just turn the Bluetooth on. This can be on in your pocket next time you get in the vehicle. So we'll just lock it, unlock it with our Bluetooth thrown in our pocket, locked, get in and just start, and the vehicle's going to run. As you can see, it's not stalling out, we're able to drive it. This prevents them smashing the window, programming a key like they do on these vehicles, and disarming the alarm, driving the vehicle away. So this has an alarm, immobiliser, tilt, motion and shock, additional LED to make it extremely visible, immobilisation, horn firing, and works off the original remote, as well as your Bluetooth phone. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is one of our Starline alarm packages. Thanks for watching.